Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today we are off to KFC. You know why? Because they've got a new product out, a bacon lovers twister. I love bacon and I love twisting, so it's the best of both worlds for me. Let's whip on up to KFC and give one a go. Let's go. They've got a drive-through, so let's use it. Oh, that's where you're going.
Hi, please place your order when you're ready.
Can I have a bacon lovers twister, please?
Yeah, just by itself or any meal?
Just by itself, thank you.
Sure, anything else?
That's all today, thanks.
Try everything.
All right. I will then. Right, well, I looked on the app and it said $7.05. I guess we'll find out when I get to the cash register how much they charge, because everyone charges different amounts.
Hi, $7.05, thanks.
There you go. $7.05. What more do you want? Great, cheers, thanks mate. Right, well here it is. Looks like a sausage. Let's find somewhere to open this up and take a look at the bacon lovers twister. Oh yeah. Alright, well, let's take a look inside. I love bacon. It's a bacon lovers. Hope it's got more bacon on it than that McDonald's bacon lovers. That was the worst ever. Alright, here we go. Okay, oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Straight away, I've got 2 slices of cheese. What more do you want? Got 2 slices of original recipe there. I think it is, at least. Let's see. Oh, I love that. So I love you. Will you marry me? Yes. It's original. Right, well there's 2 bits of bacon here, and here's their baconaise sauce. Now this sauce here is like bacon stuff mixed with mayonnaise. Oh! And mixed with something else like lemon juice. And we have some lettuce as well. Oh, well that looks alright. Now, how did they fold this before? Can't remember now. I think it was that way, that up, and like that. Alright, well there's bacon on it, but I wouldn't say it's bacon lovers. If it was the bacon lovers, it'd have like 3 times as much bacon, wouldn't it? I don't know, let me know down below. But it looks interesting enough. The size is about a good 8 inches. I know my inches. Right, let's go. Straight away, I taste the original recipe, followed by all that cheese. Tons of cheese on there. Then I'm getting the lettuce, the baconaise sauce, and the last thing that I'm tasting is the bacon. Shouldn't that be the first thing I'm tasting? The bacon? The bacon lovers twister? For a bacon lovers something, it's not very bacony. There's bacon on there, don't get me wrong, but the bacon isn't outstanding. It doesn't jump out and say, "I'm bacon, love me." It's going,
Bacon?
it's not screaming, it's whimpering. And for $7.05, holy cow, what an absolute rip-off. Mate, it should have been $4.95, if that. Well, the $7.05 should have included drinks, chips, fries, deep fried potatoes, mashed potatoes, a side salad with some bacon. I mean, $7.05. You gotta be kidding me, KFC. Gotta be kidding me. But I gotta tell you, it tastes pretty good. Now, the wrap is a pretty big one, and it is nice and soft too. Except for that dehydrated crunchy bit I just got. Otherwise, it's fresh and it's nice. And it doesn't take away from the flavours at all. Anyway, I think I've had enough of it to know now what a score I'm going to give it. Out of 10. So value-wise, $7.05. Well, like I said, should have been $3.95. It would have been in my KFC that I owned that would have gone bankrupt in the first week. But you know what? Hey, you're going to pay for what you're going to pay for. I think it's too much. I don't know. Do you? Let me know down below. Taste-wise, well, for a bacon lover's twister, I mean, surely it should have been bacon. But it wasn't. It was chicken, which is still alright because it's KFC. And I love KFC. I love it. Especially the original recipe, which is what's on it. So bacon and chicken together, what more do you want? I gotta say, it tastes pretty good. Let's just go again. I've forgotten. Yep. Tastes pretty good. They could have called it anything, really. The chicken lovers twister, the tortilla wrap twister. They could have even called it the lettuce lovers twister, because you know, nothing's really standing out. Which seems a problem with a lot of these places now. They call it something just because it's on it, not because it's what it is. Maybe they should have called it, it's got a bit of bacon in it twister. Anyway, it's still pretty good. It tastes nice. It's overpriced, but you know what? I'm enjoying it. So, for an all-over flavour, all-over taste, all-over price, all-over shopping experience, KFC, for this bits whatever twister, I'm giving you a 6.3 out of 10. Well, that tasted pretty good, so I'll whack that up to an 8. So what's my recommendation? Well, mate, if you got a lazy $7.05 sitting in your ashtray, whip on into KFC and give one of these a crack. Tastes pretty good. The sauce is nice, everything on it's nice. Could have done with a lot more of it. I mean, it could have done with like been twice as big. I would have been really satisfied then. But hey, you get what you're given. So go and give one a go. And if you do, let me know down below what you thought about yours. Have you tried the bacon lovers twister? Did you get lots of bacon on it? I doubt it. You would have got the same as me, the 2 prime round bits. Or did you get some strips of bacon? Who knows? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Anyway, I'm going to finish this bad boy off. I'll catch you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are fingerling.